How to find Discord servers to join. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find different Discord server where you can join. It's super simple, so let's get started. We need to head over to our browser, and once you're here in the search bar, you need to type discord.org. Now, this will take you to the official Discord website where you can find the different Discord servers. You can simply go ahead and find YouTube over here, and as you can see that all the servers that are related to YouTube are now shown to you. Yeah, you can even filter the server from the server's language here. If you want the server to be in English, you can simply go ahead and click on English over here, and this will show you those servers that are in English. And once you have done that, you can even choose the server that you have bumped recently, or newer server or members count. And from here you can find the server that you want to join. Once you have found the server that you liked the most, you can simply go ahead and click on join option over here, and this will redirect to your Discord. And from here you need to simply go ahead and click on accept invite, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.